What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a shoulder workout using just resistance bands. So you can actually do this with dumbbells if you only have dumbbells, but in this video we're going to be using resistance bands. What I will say is if you need resistance bands, we have this exact set linked down in the description. It's the first link, and this is the bag here. It comes with 5 different levels, so each one is a different weight. It's going to make it easier or harder for you depending on which one you use, so you can progress with this workout. That's the first link down in the description. For this workout, we're going to be doing each exercise for 30 seconds followed by a 30-second rest. It's going to be a timed workout. I'm going to take you through 1 round. So if you want to do more than 1 round, let us know down in the comments how many you were able to do. That way we can get a competition and motivate each other during this workout. Last but not least, be sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that good stuff, but let's hop into the workout. All right, so for our first exercise, we're gonna have just a standard shoulder press here. I'm gonna be using the blue band. Again, use whatever's comfortable for you. And just continue a normal shoulder press here. For this, you wanna put your elbows a little bit in front of your body. You don't want them back here. Right there is perfect. Come up, squeeze. Come down to about here, back up, nice and slow, controlled. Again, add bands for additional weight if you need to, and just go ahead and perform this properly, and don't lift with your ego. Okay, so that's our first exercise there. Next one we're doing is front raise. So same thing here, you're just gonna step onto the band, get some tension, and you're gonna go ahead and do these at the same time. Pretty simple exercise. Again, you can do this with the dumbbell if you want to as well. For this exercise, go ahead and push your shoulders down and push your chest out. Come down, come up to about here and back down. You should feel the tension on your front delt. There's no need to go any higher than there. Going up here is not going to do anything for you. All you need to do is right here, back down. Nice and controlled. And rest. So next exercise is lateral raises. So lateral raise, same thing with the dumbbell. Bring these out to the side here. Thing to always think about with this exercise, a lot of people focus too much on trying to get this weight way up here. Instead, think about pushing the weight out instead of up, and that's going to really help you to feel it in your mid delt like you should. So here we go, up, back down, squeeze at the top, back down, nice and controlled. And you can see I'm not going all the way down. I'm trying to keep tension on my shoulder. So I'm going down to about right here, because if I go here, you're resting. So it's better to keep the tension right here. All right. Next exercise is pull aparts for the rear delt. So for this, if you have the handles attached, keep them attached. Just roll this up. Get nice tension on this. And you're basically just gonna hold this out in front of you and work on moving your elbows back. Don't focus on your wrists. Focus on really just driving your elbows back. All right, and squeeze. And when you're right here, that's as far as you need to go. You should feel the activation in your rear delt, and that's all you need. Keep going, nice and controlled. Again, you're not resting at the top. Keep this band nice and tense. Down, up, and again, stopping right there. You don't need to bring anything back further. All right, and our last exercise is going to be rear delt reverse flies. So for this one thing you can do with these bands as well is you can actually add some additional weight. So we're gonna go ahead and attach this to make this have a little bit more weight. And one on each. Almost out of time. Let's get this on. Ay. Okay. Place this right below here and grip it here. And you're just gonna bring this up. It's gonna make this exercise a little bit harder with the additional weight. So you don't need a lot of weight for this. Just want to squeeze back down, squeeze. Again, the focus with your rear delt is your elbows coming up more than your wrist. And we'll do a couple more seconds. Boom. All right, so that is one full round of the shoulder workout. Again, using just a set of resistance bands. You can do this from home. You can do this from a park. You can do this workout from absolutely anywhere. If you guys enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe before you head out. And if you want to get these resistance bands, first link down in the description. They're on Amazon. Check those out. Other than that, thank you guys for working out with me. See you next time.